guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new and viewing today's video, welcome to the channel. So I'm going to be installing a unit from UNice here. They were kind enough to send over a wig for me to try for you all today. It's a beautiful unit, and let me just go ahead and put this out there. I have already installed the unit previously. I actually did it last night, but something malfunctioned with the exact camera that I'm using right now. I don't know what happened, but I stuck my memory card into my laptop and all of my footage was not there except for the last 4 minutes of a video. So I have to reinstall this unit for you all, but you're just going to see a reinstallation process basically of a unit that already has its lace cut off. So I did take the unit off last night, and you know, this is what it's looking like after I took it off. It air dried, all that good stuff. So I apologize if you're not seeing like fresh out of the packaging installation process, but blame it on Canon, okay? I don't know what happened to the camera. I don't know if it's trying to tell me it's time for a new one or what, but I'm gonna show you my easy reinstall process. Like, we're gonna make this simple, okay? So what I did was I crossed these two adjustable straps in the back to make the wig fit a lot more secure, and I'm just gonna basically put it back on. I had it in the middle part and I'm gonna put it back in the middle part. It's kind of brushed out right now, so I'll have to remold it. So some of the baby hairs are still out in the front as well. So this is fresh installation right here of a reinstall. So I just put the unit on. It just stretches right back on. This is good to know though. So if you do purchase the unit, you'll see how easy it is to reinstall it after you wear it. So I'm going to pull my wig cap back just a little bit. I want to free up some more forehead space. There was a little bit too much forehead. There wasn't enough forehead showing. Let me just put it that way. So pull it back. I think I actually want a little bit less forehead. Yeah, just like that. So I did not tint this lace or anything like that. It's just fresh like this. There's no makeup on it at all. You can see where I did the previous baby hairs. They're kind of still stuck there. And I'm just going to reinstall it with Got To Be spray. We're doing easy process over here, okay? And if you don't have Got To Be spray, check out the link in my description bar. I have a direct link to where you can shop it on my Amazon storefront. This is also sold at Target, by the way. I saw it one day in Target and I was like, look at Target. I only expect this to be like in I only expect it to be in like beauty supply stores or something. Very, very easy. And you'll see that it even looks melted into the skin pretty well. I'm just going to put a little bit of Got To Be right there. You can put a little bit of Got To Be gel right here on the ear tab area because that tends to flop up a little bit easier than the rest of the lace. These products do remove very easily with water compared to like an actual adhesive that you could use. And just to like reset the baby hairs, I'll just use like some mousse. Nothing too extra because they are actually still kind of dried down from the previous glue I had on. So just to get them to shift and move a little bit, the mousse will do that. So you can see where I kind of had my previous parting space. And just to keep in mind, this is the same process that I would do even if I washed the unit. The first thing I would start off with, just to get the hair like to mold so it would be easier to install it with glue, is to use like a pomade stick, an edge pomade stick. This one's from Motown Tress. So I'll put a link to it if I can find it online. I'll put it in the description bar. And then your hot comb. Molding your hair, pushing the hair back, getting it all out of the way so it doesn't get messy with like your spray or your glue, your gel, whatever you use to hold your wig in place. Pushing the hair back first with your hot comb is key. It helps with the installation process, making it look a lot more neat, a lot more easier to install. But since mine is already like molded, we don't have to do that. I could just reinstall it like it is. And that's pretty much that. And you can see it is very much so blended into the skin. It looks great. So freaking natural. So this is air dry, of course, but I'm just going to add some water to it. You could do water. You can do like water and leave-in conditioner. That will help because it'll give it a little bit of moisture so it won't look so dry, or some type of oil, something that would help the hair. how you would treat your natural hair basically. So yeah, you guys, if you're interested in this hair, make sure you check out my links in the description bar below so you can get this exact wig. This is a beautiful color to be rocking this summer, and then it can also just fold right on into autumn. This is going to be a great hair color to have for fall too. You know, these human hair wigs, they last a lot longer of course than synthetic units, so you're getting your money's worth because you can wear this unit for who knows how long, depending on how long or how well you take care of it. And of course, since it does have just a little bit of height at the top of the unit, I would just use my pomade stick, put it right there on the roots. I have my hot comb ready to go. I have it right now on 10, and I'm just going to flatten out the roots. You know, it's your preference, of course, but I do feel like if you flatten out roots, it makes hair look a little bit better, especially in wig form. But UNice, baby, your girl loves this wig. That's why I'm reinstalling it, because I'm about to wear it for date night. Finishing touch once you get finished with that hot comb is just to add a little bit of makeup to the parting space, making sure that it is 1000% visible. And I use LA Girl Pro Concealer in Pure Beige. There we go. And let me show you guys the finish.